This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath Wisteria floor plan with an extra special golf cart garage attached. We're on a corner lot in the Village of Piedmont. This home was built in 2003, so it's nearly 20 years old, or is, and it's 1,481 square feet, nearly 1,500 square feet. So as we come in the front door, to the left is the kitchen, and it has this large pass-through window to the dining area and living area, and a cute eat-in kitchen dinette. The door that goes to this large garage. Not everyone has that golf cart garage, of course, but it has, and it looks like this one has nice attic space. And this other door over here, this is kind of nice about this floor plan. There's another door over there that leads to the laundry room that goes into the master bathroom. So, coming back through out the kitchen. Here we go. We're at the front door again, looking in. Got this dining area and living area. And to the right is the guest quarters. This is a split floor plan, which means the master is on one side and the guests stay on the other. And we got the first bedroom here towards the back of the house. Nice size. Closeted. And both of these bedrooms are split by a guest bath. And here we go, the front bedroom. Nice size. What's nice about this house, and unusual really for only a 20-year home, it has all been updated. You can see with nice tile and plantation shutters. The ceiling is knockdown ceiling, not popcorn. There's the view through into the kitchen. So here we go. Let's go into the master. To the left, across from it, is a closet, and here we go. It's a nice sized bedroom and a nice walk-in closet. It's large. Walk-in closet. It's inside too. Okay. And with the master bath. Here, everything's been updated. The faucets and the counters, the nice. There we go. It's a nice sized bathroom. And the laundry room is attached. It does have a door that can close, but, and again, it goes right out to the garage, which is kind of nice. Okay. Let's walk through again. Let's see what they have for outdoor entertaining or outdoor living. Okay, they have a nice screened room here, covered screen room. Nice size. Go walking back in. Hi, this is Shannon. Gosh. Hi, this is Shannon coming to you with another floor plan in the Village of Piedmont. Let's take a look. This one has a 3-car garage. Oopsies. That doesn't work. What did I do? Stop.